Hi, my name's Rio Chijiwa. I'm the founder of Ponderosa.ai, and today we're really excited to show you a demo of the fully autonomous suppression mission prototype, small-scale demo. But first I want to show you our drone hardware. This is the FireSparrow Mk1, which is a drone that we custom designed and built. It's unique in that it is a fixed-wing VTOL drone, which can take off vertically like a multi-copter or helicopter, and then fly like an airplane at speeds of excess of 60 miles an hour. Except obviously right now it doesn't look like an airplane because you can also take off the wings and the tail and sort of all the airplane parts and just fly it like a multi-copter, which is what we're going to do today. It's also got a thermal camera on board, an optical camera, as well as enough computing resources on board to do everything from hotspot detection and mapping to even running the backend for a browser-based app, which I'll show you in a second next. Okay, so this is a demo of a autonomous suppression mission. Unless something goes wrong, the drone should be autonomous from takeoff all the way to landing. The way it's going to work is I'm going to tell it roughly where there's a fire. The drone's going to fly there on its own, look for the hot spot, dump some water on it, and then come back. So we'll see how it goes. All right. So I'm putting the drone in autonomous mode. I'm going to send it over here, a little bit off from the fire. So it's going to arm itself, and then it's going to take off. And then it's going to fly to the location I gave it. And then it doesn't see a hot spot, so it's going to climb to expand its field of view, and now it found the hot spot, so it's descending towards it. Dropped water on it, and then now it's going to come back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this demo. We're working on a larger drone with a 10-gallon tank, and from here on it's also about just making it more precise and also just smarter, supporting different kinds of suppression modes and different scenarios, and obviously starting to build towards flying over real fires. So thanks for watching.